And so hello guys, welcome to our channel vlog. And today I am eating a hot dog because my mama buy it. It's buy one take one, 183 only. This is a hot dog, jumbo hot dog. And this is guys is the brand Annie is Pure Foods. It's like a syrup. It's so delicious. It's so juicy. Lambot, sarap.
Wow!
So lami-lami. And look at that. There is some slices. And do you know I like hot dogs because it's like a lami hot dog. So we're gonna try hot dog. And do you know guys that this flavor is a beef? I like beef because beef is yummy like that. And we're gonna try it now. Sarap! Sobrang sarap! With cheese! Look guys, with cheese! Thank you Mama for buying this for me. Mama is computering doon guys. She's computering watching funny videos. And Mimi vlogging here with the hot dog. Nono eat rice, lan only. And look, there's some cheese again. Oh my God! So, you know guys that a hot dog is so delicious. Mama buy this for me. It's so sarap like that. And Mama do not buy hot dog that is not buy one take one. She want buy one take one. This is 30 pieces every one pack and buy one take one. So we have 60 hot dogs and the other is freeze. It's freezing to the freezing. You eat, you buy. Okay guys, it's so delicious. Buy this now. It's a lot of cheese. Lots of cheese. This is from Pure Foods. Shout out to Pure Foods. I hope you will see me. You sponsor me as Apple advertising hot dog. Hot dog is advertising hot dog delicious. Beef hot dog, and I will gonna advertise all my best, and I'm gonna pay the bill for you. Shout out to I will shout out to Pure Foods family. I mean company like that. Shout out. Your hot dog is very malinamnam, lambot. It's so delicious. This is for the day of the vlog, and that's all. It's bye.